May is Save Your Tooth Month. Did you know missing teeth can cause other teeth to shift and lead to more problems down the road?
Yeah, Dr. Noblett joins us now to share how important it is to save your teeth and get treatment. And I imagine, Dr. Noblett, the earlier, the better.
Absolutely.
You know, it used to be a situation where if you had to have a root canal, it was like, no. But I feel like the experience has gotten so much better.
It has. I think the fear factor comes in the symptoms that bring patients to see us. But once you're in the office and we determine that you need to have a root canal, we can make that experience about as comfortable as any other dental procedure. In fact, I've had patients fall asleep on me in the middle of treatment.
Okay, that's great.
I love that.
Okay, so why is saving the tooth better than just taking it out?
Well, if you think about it, your teeth are really central to your ability to chew, so critical for your nutrition, but also your natural smile is part of your self-image and part of your personality for everyone who knows you. So isn't it one of the first things you notice about people?
Of course.
Is their smile.
Absolutely.
So if we lose a tooth, it can affect not only your self-image, but also your ability to chew, your ability to speak clearly. So if we're able to preserve natural teeth, it's just better all around.
Some people ignore tooth pain, and that could be detrimental.
Absolutely. We used to have an old saying, ignore your teeth and they'll go away.
This is so very true.
We don't want that to happen. We
And it
want
can
to
lead
keep
to
them.
when you ignore tooth pain, it probably is because of a problem, and the problem can lead to other health issues, correct?
Right. Yeah, if you ignore it, it can develop into a serious infection, and that can lead to fever, swelling of your face, or even compromise your ability to swallow and breathe. So we don't want to get that far.
Yeah. You guys had a special event this month. Tell us a little bit about that.
We did,
Yeah.
yes. Well, May is Save Your Tooth Month. And so earlier this week, we assembled our entire staff at the office, and we put together dental care kits for children.
Oh, fun.
I brought one with you.
Oh,
What's
that's so
in there?
cool.
We have a toothbrush, toothpaste, a little package of floss, and a timer to help them make sure that they brush for an adequate amount of time.
Yeah, 2 minutes is what I hear, because
Yeah.
my little ones were in the dentist's office the other day. Yes, so that is so awesome. So when should someone come to see an endodontist versus the general dentist that they
I
come
think
see?
anytime you notice some pain, a toothache, if you're experiencing discomfort with temperature, hot or cold, or if it's tender to chew on, you'd want to see an endodontist right away. We can figure out where that's coming from and then determine what treatment's necessary at that point. And, you know, typically you can get in to see one of us a little quicker than your general dentist because we're used to seeing emergencies. You know, we're kind of like the dental emergency room.
Yeah, right.
And we can usually diagnose those much more efficiently and get you into treatment much sooner. So that would be a good time to call one of us.
We talked about the root canal, but what other types of things do you treat and diagnose?
Any condition that has to do with pain.
Oh,
Because
really?
not
Okay.
every pain that you have in your mouth is due to a root canal condition, so we can rule in or rule that out. And also determine if you need to see one of our colleagues.
Okay.
What has changed about dentistry that has made it so much more comfortable that patients feel like they can fall asleep in your chair?
Well, I think we've gotten so much better at anesthesia and pain control, not only during the appointment, but for afterwards. So I think that's probably our biggest quantum leap that we've achieved.
Yeah.
Well,
Don't be afraid. Just save your teeth, right?
Right.
Great
well,
job.
And, you know, the earlier you get to it, the more minor the procedure's going to be.
That's
Right.
so true. And the less money you have to spend, right? Doctor, thank you for
Thank you
coming
so much
in
for
and
being
joining
in.
us.
Oh.
You can find an endodontist in your area by visiting findmyendodontist.com or scan the QR code that you see right there on your screen.